Nagpur special Pudachi Wadi. For this, clean and wash coriander leaves and spread it on a towel. Let it dry completely. Then, finely chop these coriander leaves. Add 1 tablespoon grated and roasted dry coconut, half tablespoon roasted sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon grated ginger, half tablespoon roasted wheat flour, 1 tablespoon roasted poppy seeds, sugar to taste, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon finely chopped green chilies or as per your taste, half teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste. Your mixture is ready. For dough, take 2 cups of gram flour, also known as besan, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon haldi, half teaspoon oil, 2 tablespoon rice flour. Mix all together and knead it into a stiff dough. Pound the dough adding little oil and rest it for few minutes. Then divide it into equal portions and roll it into thin rotis. It should not be too thin and too thick. Apply mixture of oil and garam masala to it. Spread your coriander filling and seal the edges by applying little water to the roti and shallow fry it till golden in color. Cut into pieces and serve hot with pudina chutney or tomato ketchup. Thank you for watching.